Hey friends, it's Cherie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a tea subscription. I'm really excited to share this box with you, but before I open this box, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, so over this last week, I discovered a new company. It is called Tea by Claire, or also Tea by C, and it's a wonderful company. It's woman-owned, and Claire, the owner of the store, she actually is a sommelier, and she tastes teas from all over the world, and she curates the most perfect packages for those of us that are interested in discovering new teas. So while you can buy any loose leaf tea on her website, I was excited to see that there's a subscription box because I'd like to learn more about different types of tea, and I often get bored with some of the selections that I have available to me at my local grocery stores. So I signed up for the 3-month subscription box, and I'm excited to share this with you. If you didn't know, I drink tea pretty much all day long, especially during the winter months. And before I go to bed, it's very relaxing, and I find that, I don't know, it's very soothing. So I'm really excited to open this box. When you first open the box, you find a little information pamphlet, and it tells you a little bit about the subscription box and about their company. I like that it includes the 3 main principles of the company, which is discovery, quality, and sharing. And I'm going to read to you just what it says. Discovery: the teas that we source are ones you can't find in the grocery stores. We scour the world to find these unique teas for your discovery experience. For quality, we focus on quality at the source and bring you the best loose leaf tea, whether it's pure tea or a blend. For sharing, we share the origins, traditions, scientific studies, and facts about the teas on concise information cards. The tasting experience is meant to create shareable moments and foster conversation. That's really lovely. So because I signed up for the subscription, the very first box that you get is a starter box, and it includes a tea press. And so there is a section here that explains to you how to use a tea press. So this is a really helpful little pamphlet. And also in the box, I found this wonderful flavor wheel. Now, if you're new to sampling tea, this is a neat thing to have because it tells you all about the different flavors that you can find and what categories they fall in. And I really like this. This is extremely helpful. And on the back, it says Tasting 101, and it gives you all the little tips on how to savor and enjoy your tea. Number 1 is look, number 2 is smell, number 3 is slurp, and number 4 is exhale. All right, so this is the little tea press that comes in the box. Isn't it adorable? I love it so much. It's the perfect size. And inside there's a little scooper to help you scoop and measure the perfect amount of tea. Also in the box was an envelope with information cards about the tea. The very first card that comes in the box is a general tea guide, and this tea guide just lets you know that there are 6 major types of tea, and it breaks it down for you. And it gives you a little bit of tea vocabulary on the back of the card, which is extremely helpful. The very first tea in this box is actually the Dragonwell green tea, and I'll show that to you. This is what it looks like. It comes in these perfect little jars. And I don't know if every month the size of the tea jars will be like this, or if it's just this size, because in the first box, it's a starter kit that comes with a diffuser, or a tea press. So I'm not sure, but this to me is a good size. It smells really good, and I'll just hold up a little bit so that you can see what the actual tea looks like. So on the information card, it tells you the origin, where the tea came from, a little bit about a study that was conducted for this particular type of tea, tasting notes, and preparation instructions. So this Dragonwell tea is from China, and the tasting notes are freshly cut grass, nutty, milky almond taste. Like I said, it smells amazing. It's got a really great, strong smell, and I'm really excited to test that tea out. I actually might try it this morning. On the back, it tells you how the tea is made, and it gives you a little bit of Chinese myth about this particular type of tea. So I think this is a really cool card to include in the box. The next tea in the box is actually rosebuds, and this particular tea is from France, and the study that was highlighted found that it's good for women's menstrual cramps. So this is going to be a very handy tea to have. And the tasting notes is a garden floral rose taste. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's so cute, you guys. Look at these perfect little rosebuds. So cute. I'm excited to try this tea out, and hopefully it does work for cramps. All right, the last tea in the box is a Blue People Oolong tea, and its origin is from Taiwan, and it gives the preparation instructions. The tasting notes are freshly cut grass, nutty, milky, fresh butter, and almond. Ooh, that sounds so good. And this is what it looks like. And they actually looks like little stones in there, and I wonder if they open up when you add them to water. Another really nice, strong smelling tea. That smells really good. Okay, so it says that oolong tea, this is a blend of oolong tea, licorice root, and ginseng. That's gonna be really good. I'm extremely excited to be able to try this box and sample some new teas from all over the world. I am especially excited to be able to support another woman-owned business. Now, I do want to let you know I'm not sponsored. I'm not being paid to create this video or to share my review with you, but I do have a discount code to save you a little bit of money if you decide to go on this website and purchase some tea. So the discount code is SOANDSIP, and I'll put that information in the information section below of this video. I hope you do support this business, and I think it's going to be a really great thing that I've added to my kitchen. So I'll keep you updated on how I'm enjoying my teas. I will typically slip it in some of my selling videos. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.